Hi everyone, my name is Deepthi. Welcome back to my channel, a place where you can learn at your own pace. So in today's video, we are going to focus on writing task 2. That is an essay. And in essay, we will focus on how do we write a body paragraph. So let's start. The body paragraph is the second, third, and the fourth paragraph of the essay. You may write 2 or 3 body paragraphs in an essay, depending on how many points you want to project in your essay. Now, the 3 major components of the body paragraph are the main idea, the supporting idea, and examples. When we talk of the main idea, we all know that every essay has a question that follows. Now, this main idea is answering the question. So, the primary answer to that question, the primary point that highlights the answer to that question would come in the main idea. Then, the main idea will be supported by 2 to 3 supporting ideas. Now, when I'm expressing my view, I should also have reasons for them. So the reasons of what my answer is would be given in the supporting ideas. And along with the supporting ideas, I would also add some example to further support and enhance the quality of my content. What questions you will get in the essay topic, along with the essay topic, I have made a video on that also. So there are 5 types of essays based on what questions you get. If you haven't watched that video, I will put the link in the description box. Please make sure after this video you watch that video as well. Now let us understand how do we write the main idea and the supporting ideas. Before that, let's look at this topic. Now we all know that we need to spend 40 minutes on the writing task 2, which is the essay, and the minimum word limit is 250 words. You can write more than that. There is no maximum limit. Now the topic that we are going to take is some people believe that eventually all jobs will be done by artificially intelligent robots. And here you are supposed to tell your opinion. So when you are supposed to tell your opinion, you have to discuss both the views and give your opinion. So here, both the views will be that all the jobs would be eventually taken up by artificially intelligent robots, or no, this is not going to happen. So you have to give your opinion based on the balance between the 2 schools of thought. Now, working around the same essay topic, we are going to talk about the main idea. So one paragraph, the main idea in one paragraph that we can give is robots can handle mundane and laborious tasks. So this is actually supporting the point given here. We are saying that if the task is laborious or mundane, in that case, a robot will be good enough to handle that task. Now, this is the main idea or the primary idea of my body paragraph. So we can also call it body paragraph 1 in this case. Now, how will I support my main idea? Now, based on the main idea, let us see what supporting ideas I can give here. So, my first supporting idea can be that if I use robots for mundane or laborious tasks, it will help me save time, money, as well as effort. Also, there is no time required to train new employees. Whenever a company undergoes a change in the profile process, or whenever we are hiring new employees because old employees have either been promoted or they have left the company, in that case, we spend a lot of time, effort, and money in training. Also, when we hire robots or when we keep robots for manual work or laborious tasks, fewer errors are anticipated. So all these supporting ideas would come together and give a foundation to my main idea or primary idea. Now we also need to see what examples can we give in order to support our main idea and support our supporting ideas. So we can give example of Amazon, that the brand Amazon uses robots. Where do they use them? In warehouses to stack shipment boxes. And in this way, the process of delivery becomes convenient and it becomes quick also. and Amazon is known for its quick services. So when we combine the main idea along with the supporting idea and example, we have a very strong body paragraph ready. So this is how simple it is to express your ideas using the strategy that we discussed in this video about how to write a body paragraph. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please press on the like button, share it with your friends who are preparing for IELTS, subscribe to my channel for more updates, and press the notification bell so that you never miss a new video from IELTS with Deepthi. If you're interested in taking individual classes or one-to-one classes with me, you can contact me on Instagram or Facebook. All the very best for your preparation. Happy learning. Keep evolving.